Okay, so may gagawa tayo ng dalawang variation dito sa shoulder press machine, okay? So, first variation is wide grip, and the second variation is parallel grip. Okay, so perform natin yung unang variation, wide grip tayo. Okay? So, grab yung handle, chest out, and then push pataas. Yan, much better if mabot niyo yung full range of motion, and then go down, slow down, and then up. Yan. Okay, so second variation tayo. Second variation is parallel grip. So dito tayo sa parallel bar, and then sa dulo kayo hahawak. And then, ang placement ng siko nyo, kumbaga kung yung kanina sa wide grip, is nasa gilid ng katawan, dito naman sa parallel, ang siko nyo is nasa harap. Okay? So kunin yung handle, and then push pataas. Yan, then down. Make sure yung siko is paharap, hindi siya patagilid. Push. And down. Okay, so yung dalawang variation dito sa shoulder press machine. So again, pag sa wide grip, ang target neto is yung front delts natin or yung unahan ng shoulder and then yung side delts. Okay? So kapag ka naka parallel grip naman, more on isolated siya sa front delts lang.